decided to get this makupara. Our purpose was to treat ourselves with this money over the Christmas holiday.
And I haven't even told you guys, I am going somewhere for the new year. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. 30th December 2019. Tomorrow is the new year. So me and my B are traveling tomorrow for a mini travel. I'm gonna say mini travel because it's just a night, but your girl is extra. Like, one night to me is like a week. So I have been cleaning the house the whole day. As in, you guys, it's 5 and I started cleaning this house at 11 because my mama told me if you're about to travel, you gotta leave the house clean, because when you come back you're tired, you have dirty clothes, and you just want to eat and sleep. So I made sure that today my house is clean, and I'm gonna show you now. So as you guys have seen, everything is clean, and if you already figured out, that's why I plated, you guys. So if you see my hair like this, just know I'm about to plait. So I wanted to share with you guys tips on how to travel at least once a year. And truth be told, I have actually not traveled this year, only because I've decided that I want to travel on my own coins, like money that I've worked on the whole year. So I'm gonna give you tips that you can use for you to be able to travel over the year, or even once, at least once a year, like me. So let's go as I'm packing, and I'm gonna show you guys what I'm packing for.
It's just one night, but your girl is about to pack like she's going for 5 days. So
I can't wait. You guys, the vlog will be lit. Finally, at least I'm leaving. I was about to say the country, but I'll still be in Kenya. So let's go pack. I'm in my room. I have started packing. I'm gonna show you the bed just a bit, and I wanted to first give you tip number 1. And tip number 1 for you to be able to travel at least once a year is budget. Let me tell you guys, if you've watched the video for how we saved 13k in 5 months, we had decided to save that money to blow off some steam. Go watch that video. I'm gonna cue it right here. The link is right here. Please check it out. Show you guys how we were able to save 13k in coins, and how we've decided to use that 13k for our trip for this year. Savings was 13,000 Kenya shillings. Our trip is 6,950 per person, so meaning both of us will probably spend 7k. That's 14k minus 100 bob, that's like 13,900, right? So you can travel, just budget. And for us, we had already decided the budget will be consistently based on what we save. That's the first tip, you guys, just budget. So I won this bag from Parking Gifts, and I also won this bag from Koitoto Designs. So I'm not sure which one I want. However, I want this one because I mean it's camping and it's easily wipeable in case it gets dirty. This one is small and fun. I mean fun, but the material is like white cotton, and I'm just imagining in case of mud, or when we chuck them to a bus and then someone just drops it, like it's gonna just look dirty. So my second point, or tips for you to be able to travel as an entrepreneur, is know where you want to go. So I've already told you guys that we had a budget. So with that, the second point is know where you can go with that money. And depending on your budget and how well you hit your target, it could be in Nairobi, it could be in Kenya, it could be in Africa, it could be out of Africa. So know where you want to go, and hence why our trip is within Nairobi. Okay, no, it's actually not within Nairobi, it's within Kenya, because the budget is a bit minimal. So that's the second tip. Just know where you can go with that, and work with it. Like just work with it and go have fun. So guys, the third tip is know your cost. So for example, do you plan to travel with a travel into a company, or do you plan to self plan your trip yourself? So that's the part you have to like get in order, because sometimes going with a travel into a company is cheaper, especially if you're few. But if you're many and you guys can, like for example, have a car, you can cost share the accommodation, you can split for food and all that stuff, it's actually cheaper. For us, we decided that tours and travel would be better because time factor, and we are just two. It would not make sense for us to be paying transport and then to do entrance fees for all these places. And also we were like, you know what, let's just go with the tours and travel. It's just better, faster, and less planning. Yeah, that's the decision we took. I started packing and I've decided to go with a pink bag. So you guys, I'm done with my bag. I decided to go with the pink bag because it's big and I wanted to carry extra stuff with you guys. So anyway, right now I want to transfer my big shea butter to this small one because it's more travel friendly. These are the clothes I'm wearing tomorrow, a scarf because we're leaving like at 6 a.m. and my bag is ready. I just need to finally find a way to zip this up. Plan for it and save. So come up with a budget, know when and where you want to go. And for us, we decided on New Year. The beauty of it, you don't have to touch your income, you don't have to touch the money that's coming in. And then now for us, like we just have to put like a bit of miscellaneous expenses and then just add a 900 bob on top, since we saved 13k and the trip was 14k, and boom, and you don't even feel a pinch. As in, that's the beauty of saving and planning and just having that goal in your mind. Anyway guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed tips on how to travel as a beginner entrepreneur at least once a year. So yeah, I'm going to shoot the whole trip. I'm so excited. As a beginner entrepreneur, is it easy or is it hard for you to travel? Let me know down below, because I'm a beginner entrepreneur and let me tell you, it's hard to travel unless like your business picks up and you have less expenses, so I guess. But for me it's still hard, but we're gonna make it. So yeah guys, thank you so much. I want to sleep. Bye. Subscribe.
I know it's hard when you get back up on your feet and life knocks you to the ground, but it's not the end, don't know my friend, cause this is what I found, yeah. We all got something to believe in, worth achieving if we just look down inside, cause a better day will come our way if we don't give up the fight and keep on